Why can't we remember our early childhood? We laugh, we cry, we learn. Yet when we grow up, those first years of life seem to disappear.
Did those memories vanish, or were they never stored?
Did those memories vanish, or were they never stored the way we think? Science has a clear answer. Yet when we grow up, those first years of life seem to disappear. Part 1. The brain is still developing. In early childhood, the human brain is still under construction. The part of the brain responsible for forming long-term memories is called the hippocampus. This region is not fully developed during the first 3 to 4 years of life. Because of this, the brain struggles to store experiences as clear, retrievable memories. So even though children experience the world intensely, their brains cannot yet record those experiences as lasting memory files.
Even though children experience the world intensely, their brains cannot yet record those experiences as lasting memory files.
Part 2. Memory needs language. Human memory is deeply connected to language. Adults remember events by forming stories. Who was there? What happened? Where it occurred? But young children do not yet have strong language skills. Without words, the brain cannot organize experiences into narratives. As a result, early memories are stored in fragments, sensations, emotions, sounds, not structured stories. Later in life, when we try to remember, there is no story to recall. Part 3. Emotional memory versus factual memory. Even though we cannot remember childhood events, our brain does not forget everything. There are 2 major memory systems: explicit memory, facts and events; implicit memory, emotions, habits and feelings. Early childhood experiences are stored mainly as implicit memories. This means you may not remember your mother's voice, but your nervous system remembers safety. You may not recall fear, but your body remembers how to react. Part 4. Why memories fade with growth. As we grow, the brain rewires itself rapidly. New neural connections replace old ones. This process helps learning, but it also makes early memory pathways difficult to access. Think of it like upgrading a system. The old files still exist, but the software can no longer open them. Part 5. The deeper truth. So, did your childhood disappear? No, it became part of you. Your confidence, your fears, your emotional patterns, all are shaped by experiences you cannot remember. Childhood memories don't vanish. They transform into personality. You may not remember your childhood, but your brain remembers how it felt to be loved or unloved.
Facts and events and implicit memory, emotions, habits, and feelings. Early childhood
But your brain remembers how it felt to be loved or unloved. That is why childhood matters. Not because we remember it, but because we become it.
not because we remember it, but because we become it.